how you doing? Welcome on Cosmetology channel. Today we'll be discussing 3 things that you can do from home for your hair. Sorry, just my cat arrived here, so hopefully we will not have so much meowing. He is very old and he loves hugs, so that's actually nice that he'll be with me today. So let's start with number 1, and number 1 is stimulation of our scalp. I said that before in the video about oiling, but I want you to know that there are quite many tools. The first tool that you can actually use is your hand and your fingers to massage your scalp, but also there are quite many cheap tools. This is, I think, for around 3-4 euro. Or even cheaper. You can find it on Amazon, AliExpress, all those kind of stuff. It doesn't need to be anything expensive. It's basically, oh, it's just so nice to have it on my hair. But this is the tool that is taking care of scalp massaging for you. Those legs are spreading around your scalp and stimulating circulation, preparing scalp to take all the good ingredients that are coming from different serums, oils, etc. It's also very relaxing. It's removing tension, and tension is one of the reasons why we are getting hair loss. So it's really important to massage your scalp, stimulate it, but also little unstressed. I mean, we have difficult times now in the world, so just 1-2 minutes per day if you could spend on massaging your scalp like this, or with fingers like this, with circulate motion, that would really help to take in all the good ingredients that are waiting on the subject number 2. And number 2 is oiling. I brought you organic neutral coconut oil, but also you can use castor oil. Those two are very helpful, and there's so many positive recommendations and articles and videos on the internet about advantages of oiling hair with castor oil and coconut oil. You can use one of them, you can blend them, but here is a lot of good vitamins, proteins that will not only protect your hair but also stimulate the growth and also mineralize them, make them more nourished, make them more smooth. For example, if you have blonde hair or if you have curly hair, I have a combo, I have a mix of two. I have a blonde and curly hair, and I use hair dryer to make them that smooth, and it is not easy to keep them in a good condition. I'm also doing, you know, highlights. They are damaged, so for all damaged hair, coconut oil after massage is something that your hair will really love. And third thing, because we'll go fast in this video, I don't want to take all your precious time, it's supplementation. And I would like to recommend you biotin. I tried taking biotin after pregnancy because I had quite strong hair loss, and I really felt weak, so I was supplementing a lot of vitamins, but I went really crazy with biotin because of nails, skin and hair. And I was taking dose of 10,000, and this is overdose. We don't really need as human beings that much, but if you will create this overdose, I believe, and I experienced that on my skin, on my hair and on my nails, that taking biotin without anything else that I just told you really will make a difference. You can just Google wherever you live in your country, biotin 10,000, it's milligrams, I think, in one capsule. So I'm, for example, having this Health Well company. This is a Swedish brand. I live in Sweden. And you are getting 100 capsules like this, and you just eat one per day. Biotin belongs to a vitamin D family, so it's also stimulating nervous system, immune system, etc. But we are focusing on hair here, so if you would like to boost growth, also make your hair growing stronger, thicker, I highly recommend biotin. And human cell is reconstructing and rebuilding for 28 days. So this is actually a cycle of human being cell. So if you want to see effects, you should look after 1 month. And this cycle, 28 days, is basically for like 25-year-old. I'm not there. I'm in my 30s. So I have this cycle a bit longer, and for people who are in their 40s, 50s, 60s is also much longer. So any stimulation from inside of your body, and also whenever you are doing acids or something that should stimulate your cell, your skin, you have to wait around 1 or 1.5 months to actually see results. So after doing that, you will see first results after around 1 month. What I will do from today, I'm starting a project of 90 days where I'll be doing those 3 things for that period of time. So I will be supplementing everyday protein, I will be stimulating my scalp with this beautiful tool. I will also ask Jens, my boyfriend, to massage my hair. Why not? This is another tool you can use. Some your partner, friend, family, cat, whoever, whatever. And I will be oiling once per week, or if I will manage with work, I will do it twice per week, but probably it will be once per week. And I will record a video after those 90 days to see what are the results. And I really want to grow my hair. I want to also make them thicker and a little bit repair them after all the bleaching and highlights. I'm not really satisfied about the condition that I have right now on my head. So yes, this is the plan for me, and I wanted to share with you this simple plan that is really cheap to implement at your home right now. And that's all with this video. So if you enjoyed, please give me a thumb up, and also you can subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber, just launched my channel basically. So if you would like to talk about natural ingredients, products, and also kind of home-based cosmetology, that's channel for you. Thank you very much. My name is Kate. I'm sending you greetings from Sweden, and talk to you next week. Bye.